American rapper DMX dies at 50. After struggling. After he struggle, prayers, they even do vigil outside. They even do, as in, you know, understand everything where they don't do. My people, I'm not happy, but I need an announcement to now. Say DMX no longer live with us. It don't cross to the other side of this world, a bit to the other side of the other side. And according for now, we don't know. It been done a life support for how many days? Where everybody they pray, they on life support. And in case we not even they follow up this matter since, I beg now overdose of drugs cause this death. So I beg I want make una watch the video, hear am and watch am with una koro eyes. Let's watch the video.
DMX has died. The rapper's death follows his hospitalization after suffering a heart attack triggered by a drug overdose. DMX turned 50 in December.
I just want to continue to do what I do. Work hard with the music. Don't compromise the music.
E.T. learned that medical staff at his home tried to revive him twice, and he was later revived again at a hospital in White Plains, New York. A source close to the rapper and actor told E.T. that DMX recently relapsed with his drug addiction and previously suffered from COVID-19. The source added that before he died, DMX's family was by his bedside, holding his hand and praying. Amid his initial hospitalization, a rep for the family told E.T., quote, "He is in a medical state from which I don't think he will recover." The Ruff Ryders to the Rescue Foundation organized a vigil outside of DMX's hospital.
This feeling in fact, a very lonely feeling. Very lonely feeling. I dey tell you now. Because sometimes I just dey wonder if why they say if some people hear something, they no just want do am. Now only memories remain. Only memories. His songs, his achievements, maybe businesses, maybe family members. Now the only thing will remain. Nothing. Not be saying I'm my favorite musician, no, but you understand, he did part of those few musicians where they not too there about money and fame. You know, say we get there. This one, he was the voice for the people in struggle. No. It is a big loss. It's a big loss. There's nothing we can do. Even though I will say he pay attention on time, you understand? I will say he change his mind. I will say he hear what? I will say he hear when people they tell and say stop this one. But now he don't late. He don't late for him. But guess what? There is a good news. He not late for me and you. He not late for you where they watch me now, where you know say you dey inside this thing. It's not late. You still get time to change. You still get time to stop. You understand? They baffle me, say, with the number of people where these drugs don't deal with, some people still dey. Some people still dey lost inside. Even with this news, DMX is gone. Some of una say go cry, break head. Some of una go drink alcohol. This one. Tomorrow. I even they thought tomorrow. Nah, safe. They go there. They go start. Even as they hear say you don't die, they go take another one. I beg, say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. It kills. I don't know what you they use drugs do. You can have fun without drugs. You can have fun without. You don't need drug. You understand? This thing they kill. Because I wish I get more than this one to talk, but I don't get anything again to say more than stay away from drugs. Whether you like, you hear. If you like, you know, yeah. Now for you, I go still bring your matter. If you like, be the next person. You understand? Very, very important. Say no to drugs. Rest in peace, dark man, and your memories will be remembered. Yes, and My people, na very sad something. I no wish to make anybody feel bad, but I gats bring her to una side so that una go know say DMX no dey with us anymore. So anything wey you guys talk concerning this matter, drop her for that comment section. Share this video so that everybody go know say as they call her. Some people say na legend, some people say na king. Anyhow, make everybody know say legend and king has left us. And subscribe if you never subscribe so that you no go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. I don't bring you an update from Imo prison break. Yes, and this one they come from Governor of Imo State. We been done the way made this man come outside contact because no, the thing happened for Imo. So if you no come outside contact, that be say they pursue from the village where people no be smart. And according to this man, he don't tell us say over 80 people will run from prison as the thing scatter. They don't come back. For now, we no know. Federal government be make arrangement and their decision be say anybody will run from prison will decide to come back. Say they go forgive us. So now, Imo State governor don't come tell us say over 80 don't come back. So I beg, I want me to listen to this man by on herself because he told many things. He even had say Aproko. For now, we don't know what it mean now. In the indigenous people of Biafra, he said they not be part of the cause of this wahala. So I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
What happened in Imo State last Monday is unbelievable. A group of hoodlums, of course sponsored by some known politicians in Imo State, decided to destroy public infrastructure and government facilities, and attacked the correctional center facilities and also attacked the police state headquarters, put so many vehicles ablaze, broke the correctional facilities open, and the inmates escaped. However, as at this afternoon, over 80 of these inmates have returned back to the facility.
Una know themselves. No, they know themselves because see, I not just want start the point fingers. This thing they very clear. As I say like this, if una ask me, this thing has nothing to do with ESN, EPOB, no, just anyone I want mention name am. They can never partake inside this kind of thing. Very important. So I know how anybody come outside now come they deceive because this thing don't bring plenty arguments. Some people say na EPOB, some people say na ESN, some people, everybody just they point finger at different people. These people and ESN, what will they talk about? What are they accused? They have made their goal known to us. They know they inside all this one that they bring. Now, no mixed issue. This thing one I just see like this is a political strategy. As simple as ABCD. Political strategy. No, not be the same strategy where they use for answers. No person talk. Not be the same. No, what be the difference between this one and the one where happen for answers? They know what they do. See, I come outside, and some of them they destroy the government facility. They did this one. I don't understand who is in my consignment. See, I they mention government facility now. Person hear you now. Hey, they go to say now one kind fine place, like one kind fine police station. See on a police station. See what they call government facility, like you are proud of it. The place same we even look see, even if I get animals, I know if put my animals where they stay for that place. If they call a government facility, we not too like English. Now English go so cute now. That place will be like jungle. See, I bet my people make una listen very well. These people every day now, so they go come outside. They talk as this man come out. I be they say they can't give us one. I not just don't understand. They say no be police. They say no be government. He say this is not a political attack. Say no be politicians they sponsor this one. Say he know the people where they behind that. And that one we they wait for. Me I no fit wait, bros. As you say you have people that are behind this thing. I bet bring them outside. You say people over 80 people don't return to the prison. Hey, Ironia. Why these people sabi lie like this? Over over 80 people return to prison. No, abeg o, me I like dey very very realistic. Wait, people run from prison, they return back. Which prison? First question. You know say if you dey outside and you dey prison, you go even dey hungry you to stay, you no go wan go. Nigeria prison where I know, no, except say no be Nigeria we dey talk about. Which prison and where are the people? The people wey dey carry all those girls wey dey kidnap them, abi the day when they return those girls, they do video. So how come they no show us picture or video of this so-called inmates wey don return? Una think una dey wise. No, show us picture. We want to see the people that according to you people have returned back. Ngwanu, make we see them. Except say I don dey craze, so maybe na me don dey craze. I no just understand. For this Nigeria, see, no matter how the country hard, they no go come back. They no go come back. You know how these people they suffer. Some of them have no roof over their head for that prison where they did. Some of them, which kind of food they chop? Now they tell me because of forgiveness. No, which forgiveness you want forgive? Show us. We need proof. We need proof. As the same way we wanna come outside, tell us say we need proof or picture or video. How Buhari they promise say dollar go reduce. I be this one. We too now we need proof to show us that these prisoners return back. Make una continue to the lie to una children, no be us. I don't understand. Una think I be una mate. See me. My people, I say I go bring a corner aside because this one is too heavy for my mouth to carry. You understand? He say over 80. I say I go bring her. So anything where you guys talk concerning this one, why not if not? I better drop off for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video for our fellow Nigerians where know they are aware of the whole situation. I better let them know say over 80 people don't return back to prison. No problem. I beg. If you never subscribe, wait till the wait for just click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything when we get here for now. Stay tuned for our next story.